You are telling Guruji, I am wearing some magnetic chain which has got some best vibration which will change my life. It is nonsense. I used to wear that stone which is very precious, which is very rare. I said, why you call this as precious and rare? No, it is not formed easily. It forms very rarely. Then idiot, your kidney stone is more precious than the stone that you are wearing. And you will be the source of divine power which will create that divine energy or which will radiate that divine energy wherever you go. See, you want something in life that which will bring changes to you in life. Avladana vishayam. You are expecting some product, that is what you call as divine products. There is no such thing called divine products. Everything is divine. Not even a single thing in this entire universe is reacting based on your wish. Your knowledge is to understand how things will respond or how the reaction will happen. That is what. Be it a soil, you have not instructed the soil to facilitate the growth of a seed. Or be it a rock, you have not instructed rock to be the ore of an iron, from which you involve the process called smelting, from which you extract a metal called iron. All these things is already existing in this world. And this is divine. And you are telling Guruji, I am wearing some magnetic chain which has got some best vibration which will change my life. It is nonsense. It is utter nonsense. It is insulting the divine. You are the best product that God has made for you. No matter how beautiful divine product is available in the world, unless you don't treat yourself as the best divine product available for you, every divine product that you have on you will only bring bad luck and bad time without fail because you're insulting God. So don't use the name divine product. Say, I am liking some cosmetics on me. I am liking some decorative stuff on me, ornaments on me. Use it happily. But don't bring the word divine. Guruji, is it such a very stupid thing? Or is it such a very bad thing that will bring bad luck for me? Yes, of course, yes. Because you are connecting with one simple thing as divine, meaning you are conveying your own self on the entire universe other than what you feel as divine is not divine for you. Do you understand? So, I am not saying you will have bad luck because of the product that you are wearing, because of you thinking that is the product which is divine for you or divine product for you. Because from this moment, it is your understanding. It is your realization. God is everywhere and God is in everything. Can I get a yes? Yes. How can you say something is divine which doesn't even have the ability to feel the divine in it? You are not just a product. You are the process through which you will attain the divine state of consciousness. So anything which is coming to you, you can give the divine energy. No other thing outside of you can give you the power or a divine energy. It cannot. Which means you are lesser than the product you are wearing. If you say something is divine product, which means you are not even, equal to the product that you are wearing. Forget about the word divine. Your energy is less than the energy that you are wearing or you are buying. Maybe a ring, maybe a jabamala. Maybe, in US and UK, I have seen a person in US, being a Christian, they are selling some divine product. Being a Muslim, they are selling them divine product. I don't understand how it is possible. 100% not possible. And being a Hindu, they are selling many divine product. Not possible. There is no such thing. Your car that you are using is very divine for you because it is helping you to take you from one place to other place. It is not created by you. You think you have made a car. No, who made the petrol for the car? Who made the diesel for the car? That is the game of the divine. Do you understand? Everything is divine game. And you are the only power who has the power to connect with the divine within you. And you are the only power who has the power to vibrate the divine energy surrounding you. That is what Buddha did. That is what Mahavir did. Mahavir being a king who has been, a source of a big providence or a kingdom. He never had scarcity for gems and valuable gold and precious metals. He renounced everything, realizing that there is divine in him. It's called nirvana. Buddha was not a beggar. Buddha was not a poor person. He came out of all the, possible material possession because he has understood the divine within. When you are having the source of access to this kind of a beautiful human being, still going and finding something which is outside of you, a cheap stuff, a perishable stuff. At least your body is perishable, but has got beautiful value. It is helping you to find connection with the God. How can you insult your own self? It is insulting God. It is not in, Bible, in Corinthians. You are the only temple of God. And one who destroys the temple of God, God will destroy you. Ullam Perunkoil, Unudamba Alayam. What else you need? So throw out all this nonsense from your mind. If you're wearing something, if you like it, wear it. Don't title it as a divine product. Please don't do that. Never do that. Guruji puja panni இந்த தாயத்து கட்டின, இந்த காப்பு போட்டேன், ஒரு மேக்னெட்டிக் செயின் போட்டேன், மந்திரவாதி கொடுத்தாரு, பூசாரி கொடுத்தாரு, ஐயர் ஓமம் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாரு. மண்ணாங்கெட்டி. That is divine. ஒரு மண்ணை எடுத்து கட்டிப்பேன். அந்த மண்ணாங்கெட்டி is divine. You are a beautiful process. Please understand. From this moment, so I am not saying there is no such thing called divine product. There is nothing more divine than you which is available for you. You have the power to convert any product into a divine product. No divine product is required for you to make you connect with the divine or to make you feel the divine within. Because the God within you is the God which is outside of you. Because you are the only divine source available for you which will bring you all the positive changes you want in life. So throw out all this nonsense. Enjoy your life knowing that divine is already within you. And you will vibrate the divine energy wherever you go. And you will be the source of divine power which will create the divine energy or which will radiate the divine energy wherever you go. This is not happening now. I am seeing this for more than a decade. I have seen one of the best professors of archaeology coming and telling me, Guruji, during this time I used to wear that stone which is very precious, which is very rare. I said, why you call this as precious and rare? No, it is not formed easily. It forms very rarely. Then idiot, your kidney stone is more precious than the stone that you are wearing. You understand? Because it is not formed every day. Will you save it? You will die. Those who have suffered because of kidney stone must be knowing it. You can't say, no, it's a very precious stone. It is formed in my kidney. So throw out all this nonsense. You may think some gemstone is very precious, very rare. It is not available for anyone. Immediately tell yourself, kidney stone is very rare. It is not forming for everyone. Will you have it? Throw out all this nonsense. Live a simple life. And enjoy life to the fullest in a beautiful way. You need to do that. Don't go and stuck in small stuff which is not even worth in front of your presence, in front of your divine, energy. So this is the one thing you need to understand. So enjoy everything. Everything that you wear, knowing that you are the divine energy available for you, every product will be divine product on you. No product outside of you can make you feel divine because you're already divine. And you can make any product a divine product, but no divine product can make you a divine person because you're already divine in human form. Aham Brahmasmi.